Hi everyone, and welcome to my midterm presentation for the class Understanding Korean Culture. My name is Vojta. I'm from Czech Republic, or Czechia for short. I will speak on some key differences between South Korea and Czechia in the areas of art and food. First part will focus on average general differences in cuisine. Second part will look at alcohol consumption. And the final third part will consist of an interesting observation in the area of fashion. Overall, it is fair to say that at least when it comes to traditional foods, the Korean cuisine is decisively healthier than the Czech one. Especially since Korean has lots of vegetable side dishes, i.e. every meal has some kind of salad and various other greens to it, while Czech meals usually have just potatoes or dumplings as side dishes. Czech meals are also often fried, which to be fair does appear in Korean meals as well, but it's in no way as prevalent. Koreans drink mainly soju, Czechs drink mainly beer, which is, pretty interesting. The surprising part comes with the actual statistics though. Both countries are the best in the world when it comes to their beverage of choice. An average Korean consumes about 13 shots of hard liquor per week, which is twice more than the second best country in this category, which is Russia. An average Czech consumes 188 liters of beer per year, almost twice the amount of beer consumed by an average Austrian, with South Korea being at about 39 liters per year. Let me start the third theme by stating that I decided to take the liberty of considering fashion as a part of art. So, fashion. During my stay, I noticed that Koreans like to wear the bell trousers, presumably as a retro flashback to the US good old days. The interesting thing is that these were never fashionable in Czechia because, while these were popular in the West, Czechia was in the Cold War Eastern Bloc and therefore Western things were not allowed. That was my video on the differences between Korea and Czechia in art and food. Now, allow me to briefly summarize the main topics. First, Korean dishes contain more vegetables and are healthier overall. Second, Czechia is notorious for excessive beer consumption, while Korea is notorious in hard liquor consumption. And finally, third, Korean fashion can be quite unusual to a Czech person. Based on these and countless other differences, it is apparent that the two countries are rather distinct and on the opposite sides of the globe.